been farming with my dad up at Hanover farm. Farming kulikwinto lapha ekhaya, and if usemncane into ukubibona kuba into ukubithanda. Besides that, I personally believe it's the only way that ingamusumuntu phambili truly. I proceeded to go to Bloemfontein to do a farm production. There are some things that I'd say he does in an old-fashioned manner, and then as you said, I've studied, there's new, better ways that we do try to come together and implement both of those things, because you can't take out the old, because there's no old without new. And so we do try come together, paperwork, management, timekeeping, the records, everything, we do try to join everything together. Double M Beef is a company which belongs to my baby brother and myself, mainly focuses on beef production. Currently, what we do is that we currently buy beef animals non-stop, fattening them up and taking them to the abattoir, afterwards processing it and packaging it and selling it to retailers. The business's main idea is to, from the get-go, have our own animals and our own breeding stock. From then onwards, someday get our own abattoir and our own retail line, so it goes from start to finish. Future plans, in short, is to build progress up at Mercy, take it forward, get new machinery, more land, and be more innovative. It's like having, to an extent, having a mentor, but at the same time the mentor is your father. So you basically have that gap of trying again up until you both get it right. Because there's no pointing fingers, because if you work for somebody else, you got a chance 3 times in 5. But here you're at home, you try. Is the freedom to do what you think is right at the time.
Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.